Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based suite of productivity apps and services that millions of users rely on for work, education, and entertainment. But what happens when Microsoft 365 goes down? How does it affect the users who depend on it for their daily tasks and activities? In this section, we will explore the impact of Microsoft 365 outages on different sectors and regions, and cite some examples of how the outages disrupted various operations and functions. One of the most common effects of Microsoft 365 outages is the inability to access email and communication tools, such as Outlook and Teams. This can cause significant delays and inconveniences for users who need to send and receive important messages, collaborate with their colleagues or classmates, or join online meetings and events. For example, on May 23, 2023, Microsoft 365 suffered an outage that prevented users from accessing Outlook email and the Teams conferencing app. This outage affected businesses across the globe, especially those who rely on remote work and online collaboration. Some users reported missing deadlines, losing clients, or having to reschedule meetings due to the outage. Another effect of Microsoft 365 outages is the loss of access to cloud-based documents and files, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. This can cause data loss, corruption, or unavailability for users who need to create, edit, or share their work online. For example, on May 1, 2023, Microsoft 365 experienced an outage that affected OneDrive. Users reported being unable to access their files stored on OneDrive or sync them across devices. Some users also reported losing their work or having to redo their work due to the outage. A third effect of Microsoft 365 outages is the disruption of online learning and entertainment platforms, such as Minecraft Education Edition and Xbox Live. These platforms use Microsoft 365 services to provide interactive and engaging experiences for students and gamers. However, when Microsoft 365 goes down, these platforms also become inaccessible or unreliable. For example, on April 28, 2023, Microsoft 365 had an outage that affected Xbox Live. Users reported being unable to sign in to their accounts, play online games, or stream content. Some users also reported losing their progress or achievements due to the outage. As we can see, Microsoft 365 outages have a significant impact on millions of users who rely on the cloud-based services for work, education, and entertainment. The outages can cause frustration, inconvenience, and loss of productivity for users who depend on Microsoft 365 for their daily tasks and activities. Therefore, it is important for Microsoft to ensure the reliability and availability of its cloud-based services and to minimize the frequency and duration of its outages. Microsoft 365 is a popular cloud-based platform that offers a range of productivity and collaboration tools for businesses and individuals. However, it is not immune to outages and disruptions that can affect millions of users around the world. In this video, we will explore some of the alternatives or solutions for users who are affected by Microsoft 365 outages. One of the most common issues that users face during a Microsoft 365 outage is the inability to access their email, calendar, contacts, and other online services. To avoid losing access to your important data and communication, you can use some of the following methods. Use offline versions of Microsoft 365 apps. If you have installed the desktop versions of Microsoft 365 apps such as Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., you can still use them offline without an internet connection. You can also sync your data to your local device using OneDrive or SharePoint. However, You will not be able to send or receive emails or collaborate with others until the service is restored. Back up your data regularly. To prevent data loss in case of an outage or a cyber attack, you should back up your data regularly using external storage devices or third-party cloud services. You can also use the built-in backup and restore features of Windows 10 or macOS to create a system image or a recovery drive. Use other cloud-based platforms. If you need to access your email or other online services during a Microsoft 365 outage, you can use other cloud-based platforms that offer similar or complementary features. For example, you can use Gmail, Google Workspace, Zoho Mail, or Proton Mail for email, Google Calendar, iCloud Calendar, or Calendly for calendar, Google Contacts, iCloud Contacts, or HubSpot for contacts, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or Mega for cloud storage, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or LibreOffice for Office Suite, Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, or Discord for video conferencing, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Signal for messaging, and so on. Of course, switching to another platform may require some adjustment and learning curve, and may not be compatible with your existing workflows or integrations. Therefore, you should always weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Microsoft 365 outages can be frustrating and disruptive for users who rely on its services for their work and personal life. However, by using some of the alternatives or solutions we discussed in this video, you can minimize the impact of an outage and stay productive and connected until the service is restored.